Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Insights. This time the review is about DJI Pocket 2. In this video I'll explain you what attracted me more and what made me to buy this miniature camera. Please subscribe to our channel and support us. It helps us in developing interest to make more videos. Well, Pocket 2 is successor to original Osmo Pocket camera which captures super steady videos despite of its pocket size. Comparing to original Osmo Pocket, the Pocket 2 has been redesigned and made more powerful than its predecessor. Here is the Pocket 2 Creator Combo Edition. Let's unbox and see what all it has got. Soon after I received this Pocket 2, I started using it, and this video is just about unboxing and my initial impressions after using it for few hours. Hope you will enjoy this short review. Inside the box we get Pocket 2, accessory box, few manuals and stickers. This combo edition includes accessories like the do-it-all handle, a wireless mic, a 1/4-inch bottom mount and a mini tripod. These wireless modules are added beauty and par to Osmo Pocket camera. There are few other accessories that comes inside the box. This comes in two variants, a standard Pocket edition and a Creator Combo version. In the Creator Combo edition you get Pocket 2, hard traveling case, mini tripod, mini control stick, two smartphone adapters, supports Apple and Type-C Android devices, USB splitter charging cable, tripod mount, wrist strap, do-it-all handle, wireless mic, windshield and a wide-angle lens. While the standard edition has Pocket 2, mini control stick, hard traveling case, wrist strap, smartphone adapters, tripod mount and charging cable. Perhaps DJI has designed the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo as a pocket studio. Smaller and smarter, the case magnetically secures the 20mm ultra-wide lens, phone adapters, tripod, wireless mic and tightly holds on the DJI Pocket 2 itself. Almost after 2 years I think DJI has come up with the upgrade to Osmo Pocket. The Pocket 2 addresses many of the original Osmo Pocket shortcomings, which was a great tool to capture stabilize the video footage quickly, but which had a noticeable limitations. The Pocket 2 is now loaded up with 64 megapixel sensor and video recording up to 4K resolution. Additionally, DJI has focused on the Active Tracking 3.0, live streaming support and more microphones for better sound recording. The larger sensor, faster and wider lens, improved autofocus capabilities and additional mics make this a more robust tool for content creators and vloggers. Accessories provided in the combo edition will cost you more if you buy them separately. Mini tripod comes with a ball head which is really a great modulation. DJI's Pocket 2 is almost similar in dimensions to its predecessor, measuring 12.5 cm tall and weighing 117 grams. If you use it with do-it-all handle, it measures about 17.5 cm tall. It has a 875 mAh non-removable battery which takes almost 60 minutes to charge up, and it offers up to 140 minutes of battery life. The exterior design of the Pocket 2 is similar to the original, but now includes a mini control stick that slides into the area previously reserved for a smartphone connection. Although there are some changes with the button layout, the operation remains familiar to the original. The microSD card slides into a slot on the left and the Pocket 2's power button sits on the right side of the camera. Before using the device for the first time, we need to activate the camera with DJI's Mimo app by connecting via the smartphone, either Android or iOS device. Here is a quick look at connecting smartphone and activation process. Get the latest application from the DJI's website, which we do not have in the Play Store due to some restrictions. As soon as activating, it received firmware update for Pocket 2 itself and all other accessories. Downloading and installing takes a few minutes and it depends upon your internet connectivity. Accessories automatically gets firmware upgradations as once they are connected to the Pocket 2. Pocket 2 is a second generation all-in-one camera with built-in 3-axis stabilizer. The camera remains incredibly easy to use and is a great option for vloggers and content creators. If you are a YouTuber who relies on action cam like me, but in need for features like autofocus and wireless mic, then DJI Pocket 2 creator combo will be exactly you have been waiting for. Compact enough and better than action cameras when it comes to stabilization quality, because it is a physical stabilizer while most of the action cameras has electronic stabilization. This camera is incredibly easy to use and is a great option for vloggers and content creators who need to capture stabilized video and do not want to weigh down with lots of gear. Pocket 2 has a lot of improved specifications. You can see all the specifications on the screen. If you have slide the mini control stick into the position, you will be able to customize the joystick to zoom or tilt and switch across the 3 modes: forward, tilt lock and FPV modes. Touchscreen controls allows you to access additional shooting modes like photo, video, slow motion, time lapse, panorama and HD video. Despite of 64 megapixel sensor, the DJI Pocket 2 captures photos with resolution of 16 megapixels as default. It also shoots 4K, 2.7K and 1080 pixel videos at 60 frames per second along with 24, 25, 30, 48 and 50 frames per second. As for slow motion video, it captures at up to 24 frames per second at Full HD resolution. Those who are in need of broadcast feature, DJI has brought the live streaming support for the Facebook and YouTubers. There is also real-time messaging protocol support. DJI Pocket 2 can capture immersive depth of field for a such small camera when shooting relatively close-up vlog content. And this focus is too strong, making it a marked improvement over the Osmo Pocket. The tracking function is also great. Place the Pocket on the tripod and you will be able to walk around or move from side to side while the gimbal head follows you and keeps you in the center frame throughout. Sound quality is also impressive. With on-body mics and wireless mic, both perform respectably. We do not feel the wireless mic option was needed when hand-holding video, but it really came into necessity while using the tracking feature. DJI Pocket 2 will act as our own camera private person. I have been using it for few hours and these are my initial impressions on it. And more about this wonderful camera in my upcoming videos very soon. Buy it only if you need a pocketable vlogging camera. For this purpose, the DJI Pocket 2 is the best option around. The level of stabilization from the 3-axis gimbal is unrivaled. Face tracking is excellent and it captures skin tones nicely, which means less time spent during editing. Even though we have lots of accessories for original Osmo Pocket like wireless feature, I would say Pocket 2's new larger sensor, brighter lens, improved microphones and wider field of view make it a worthy upgrade from its predecessor. One of the benefits of having Pocket 2 is that with active tracking and autofocus, it acts as a great virtual cameraman for solo videographers.